The Vinegaroon, or whip scorpion, is a fascinating arachnid with unique characteristics. When threatened, Vinegaroons can release a vinegar-like substance as a deterrent, earning their name. Nocturnal predators. Active during the night, they feed on insects, small arachnids, and centipedes. Whip-like tail. Although resembling a scorpion, Vinegaroons lack venomous stingers. Their long, whip-like tail aids in navigation and defense. Prolonged lifespan. Some species of Vinegaroons can live up to 10 years. Unique respiratory system. With book lungs and tracheae, Vinegaroons demonstrate an interesting combination of respiratory adaptations. Stealthy hunters. Their spiky pedipalps are used for grasping prey while remaining concealed in darkness.